Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the error the application was unable to start correctly on Windows. Since this error primarily occurs due to corrupted DLL files, you can try reinstalling all the versions of Microsoft Visual C++, as they contain dozens of DLL files used by applications for various tasks. Two ways to restore corrupted DLL files are to install all the components containing DLL files or download the specific DLL file and replace it with the corrupted one. To do it, first, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Enter the following command and click OK to open the Programs and Features window. Next, right-click Microsoft Visual C++ and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall when you see the VC Runtime Uninstaller window. Repeat this process for all versions of Microsoft Visual C++. Once you have removed all the components, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt and run it. Once the command prompt is opened, enter the following command to clean up the component store. Once complete, close the command prompt. After that, download the versions of Microsoft Visual C++ and reinstall it. Once completed, restart your computer and attempt to launch the application to see if the error has been resolved. Net Framework is used to develop Windows-based applications. So, if the application requires Net Framework to run but is not installed on your Windows, let's try installing it. To install the Net Framework, first, open the Server Manager. In Manage, select Add Roles and Features. Continue pressing Next until the Features section and select Net Framework to install. After that, click on Install. Once completed, restart your Windows, then try again. System File Checker, short for SFC, is a command line utility that is used to restore corrupted system files from the cache folder, such as DLL and exe files. To execute the SFC command, follow the steps. Continue to run the Run dialog. Next, type in CMD and hold down the Control, Shift, and Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type the following command. Once completed, restart your Windows, then try again.